Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. and it's time to plan for April. So I have pulled out my Erin Condren A5 Focus Ring Planner month of April. It gets me every time saying all those words, crazy. Anyway, and I made some stickers to hopefully fit and decorate and make it look really pretty. And now I just noticed last month when I did this, I used floral. Yes, I did. I used the floral month, and that month looked a little different. Shoot, these may not work in here. I based this header sticker on that, and this is like way taller compared to, looking for March, compared to this one. So what do we do? Do we use this one? Or do we use that one? Well, I think we're going to try it, and let's just hope it fits. First, we'll try this out, and if it doesn't fit, or maybe I have to white stuff out or put some more washi on top, we will just do that. But I made this all as one sticker because I had been doing layers, and I thought that wasn't the best because that's just making it thicker and thicker. Build up behind these pages and harder to write because there's those, you get the lumps in the pages from the stickers being on there. So I thought, let's just make one. Yeah, so it doesn't quite cover up right there. So I'm either going to have to stick one of these pieces of washi or white that out. We'll wait and see how far I get. Then I have to find this out. If any of you know, please answer me. But when I do this printing on Cricut, I mean, I'm not an expert sticker maker or anything. I'm just doing this for myself. Some of the fonts, the O's or like a D or something would fill in. I mean, it didn't do it anywhere else. The O on notes didn't fill in, so why did it fill in on Monday? The only thing I can think maybe is that the font is not compatible because I purchased it. It's not like a Cricut font, so I wonder if that's why. I don't know, it just kind of bothers me a little bit why that happens. And you don't know when it's going to happen. It's like whenever, go down a little more, whenever the Cricut feels like making it happen, it happens. I just got nail polish on the page too, darn it. I'm trying to get it right above that black line on top. And over here is going to show that too. So like I said, we will either put an extra washi tape over the top or white that out. But let's just wait and see because don't know yet. I like it so far. It works really nice having it to be one whole piece like this. So where is my tweezers? Right here. What things are going on that are important this month? I had to find where I had my plans. Now that I'm making my months look pretty, I don't write in plans and I don't remember where there needs to be or where the plans are. So it's one thing making your month be beautiful, but then it's another thing when where are your plans written down before you make your month beautiful? Don't know. So that's something I got to work on. Okay, so I'm going to put down like an Easter sticker. And I'm a little disappointed in these. I made these colored. I should say I made a pattern, but you can't tell. It just looks like a solid green. And I don't know if my printer's running out of ink or if this font was a little bit, not font, but these the digitals that were a little bit fuzzy or muted because all these colors are like that. They're pretty colors, but it didn't come through real clear. All right, so let's do that. And then I guess you could put a Good Friday. It doesn't really have any impact on any of my plans, but let's put Good Friday. And it's almost like these boxes are just hair smaller too. Okay, now what else? Earth Day? Is that important? I guess I could put that on here too. I should have written on these before. That would have been smart. Would have been easier and smarter. So let's do that real quick. I'm gonna just put Easter in here. And this one's Good Friday. Could have also made stickers for these to put over this. Oh well. It's this way. Okay, and then let's write down Earth Day on one of these. Do a darker green one. It looks like my, what is that called? Alignment's off a bit on Cricut too. These things. I thought about selling stickers, but then I'm like, all these things that I would run into, these troubles, I don't know if I'd be able to make more than one sheet at a time. So maybe I just keep making them for me. Okay, so then we have the holidays that I want to denote. I'm just going to leave these other ones in here. They're not something that I celebrate, but I'll just leave them to leave them. I think that's a good idea. All right, and my wedding anniversary is on the 30th, so I want to put that. How many? Hold on, let me figure out how many years. I can't even use my calculator because it's up there. Let's see if I can do it here. I don't even remember. That's pretty pathetic. It's 2022 minus 1994. 28 years. Okay, so 28th anniversary. Oops. Put that one on there. It's nice that it's on a Saturday, that maybe we can go and do something. No kids and just us. Sounds like a plan to me. All right, and then lab appointment on the 12th. So what color do we want to make those? I'm gonna do this ugly brown color because that isn't fun. A fasting lab, so what time is that one at? 8:30. Make the numbers, the time a little darker so I know. That was, what did I say, the 12th? Yes. So let's put that one on the 12th. What day of the week is that? Tuesday. So then that means I have a doctor's appointment on the following week at 8:40. And then again is on the 19th. I'm gonna make sure we get these days right. Okay, what else? I mean, basically it's just putting in bills, and if anybody's coming home, anything that comes up. So I'm just gonna save all of these like I did last time. So let's add some decoration. I wonder if I should put, I really don't want to border it with that, but I could border it with the flowers. So try that and see how that works up here. See if that covers this up. Yeah, so when I make it for this planner, it's funny how all the headers and all the planners are different sizes. Something to be aware of. I need like a small ruler, but I don't have a small one. Just have my big one here. And I don't know if I'm able to cut this close to that. Let's see. Did it work? Yeah, it's off just the tiniest bit. That's okay. So does that look okay with the bluish color up there? I think so. So let's do that on this side too to make it match. Oh, we have Sully and UPS, but they're not coming here, so keep on trucking. Keep on delivering. Okay, these are very, very tiny flowers on here. You probably can't even tell from that as far away as you are, because I can barely see them and I'm right next to them. Let me see. I don't know how close I can get you, if this is like focusing or not. Let's see once. Keep seeing the little tiny flowers. It's a really pretty pattern, but it's just had to be very small to fit on that washi. Okay, so we have that, and then we're gonna put, I think, the pink down here, just to balance that out. So we'll just start it from here, close to the bottom, but not all the way to the bottom. These have little flowers on it too. A little bit different flowers. And I am just gonna tear it this time. I think that might work easier. Yes, much easier than trying to get that knife in there. But it also looks like I went up a little bit on here. Not quite level there. Okay. And then we'll put this one. And I have more tape in case things come up. I like to use the tape when an event happens, you know, more than one day, so that you can stretch it across the days. Put it on the beginning here because April doesn't start for a while. I have, oh wow, it's this whole blank week. Why didn't they do that? I almost want to move this up. This whole bottom week here is May, so why would I need that? How would it look if I move this up instead of having it way down here? Oh, now my husband's home, so now it's going to be loud because he's going to come in, say, yo, where are you? And then Sully's going to bark. So let's see if we can do this real quick. See if this looks better. I kind of want to do it this way because it like makes you think that April goes on further than it really does. I don't know why. I could have made the boxes bigger and then you could have had some more room. Or it's just how the month works. So if it's starting on a Friday, maybe that messes it all up. Is it that time already? 3:30. Okay, let's take this one and move it up. That even cut, let alone straight. Then we'll cut. Okay. All right. I think I'm going to do it that way. And then I have up until here that I can use some of these flowers. So we can disperse these big ones right to the edge. And then maybe this one can go to this way. And this one can go somewhere in the middle. Like this way, maybe. And then we'll put all the other small ones in there. Like that. It's kind of like they're falling. I have all of these. I could actually use this as a washi down on the bottom too. Maybe I'll do that because I really don't see too many things happening in April. We had the spring break already, so there's not going to be any trips. Anything like that, so. Plenty of them to like put them around. This is it. Should I stick another one in here? Is that gonna be too much? That might be too much. I could move that one over. I wanted to put this one on my anniversary there. And maybe we can put one on Easter. Here he comes. He's gonna say, hey yo. Or not. Yeah, I like this better 3 like this. Here we go. Move this one up. There, like that. That looks better. I think so. Told you he'd say yo. Say hi, people on the internet.
Hi, people on the internet.
We'll see if I cut it out or not. Okay, let's see how this looks down here. Or I could put more flower. Nah, that just might be too many flowers. Let's try this. I think I might put a little flower up by notes because it's kind of off-centered there too. Yeah, I like this. I think. Yeah. Let me grab that flower for the notes. Right there. Nice, cute. All right. Jeez. So noisy. Cut that off. Tear that off. Yeah. Looks good. Just kind of finish it off a little bit. All right, it's a pretty good looking April. So then off camera, I'm gonna write my bills in, and when things come up that I need to add during the month, I just cut this little part out here, and I just keep it attached to the back of my page, and then I can use the same stickers to fill it in. I'll probably stick the flowers maybe in these extra spaces, and then I just usually clip this on the back of this page like so. I don't know if I clipped it. I think last time I kind of stuck it because once it, you know, another thing, the clip in your planner is going to leave it hard to write on. But there we go for April. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.